Maine has moderate tenant protections with reasonable notice periods, but there are a couple of things Maine landlords need to know that don't show up in a basic summary of the law. Here's what Maine requires. For non-payment of rent, Maine requires a 7-day notice to pay or quit. Your tenant has 7 days to pay all rent owed or vacate. For lease violations, noise, unauthorized occupants, property damage, Maine also uses a 7-day notice to cure or quit. To end a month-to-month tenancy without cause, Maine requires 30 days written notice. On security deposits, Maine caps the maximum at 2 months' rent. If your written policy establishes a standard deposit procedure, deposits must be returned within 21 days. Without that written policy, the window extends to 30 days. Now here's what the basic summary doesn't always mention. Maine courts may require or strongly encourage mediation before a forcible entry and detainer case proceeds to trial. That step adds time to the process and means some evictions take longer than the notice period alone would suggest, typically 4 to 8 weeks total for uncontested cases. And if your property is in Portland, be aware that Portland has additional local tenant protections that layer on top of state law, including just cause requirements for certain evictions. Verify local ordinances before proceeding. Free fillable Maine notice forms are on this page. The best eviction is the one you never have to file. Screen your applicants first at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.